AI initiatives rarely fail because of technology. They fail because adoption breaks down. And without adoption, benefits never materialize. The solution is not more experimentation alone, it's disciplined innovation. Each initiative needs a formal business case, one that clearly defines the value proposition, accounts for real organization integration, and sets measurable outcomes. But innovation still needs an investment rationale. Profitability must be assessed. Traditional net present value falls short for innovation. Modern real options provide the right model. They replace rigid forecasts with flexibility and enable learning before full commitment.